Hello student, in this class we learn how to create chess pieces and we learn how to create this one. I already placed this reference image in the viewport. If you want to know how to place this image in the viewport, you can check my video. Link available in the description box so you can check and watch that video first. I maximize the front viewport and choose line tool. In the creation method I choose corner and bezier. To create this model, we draw the outline of this chess pieces only from the left side. I start from the center point and create the basic points. And there is little bit turn, so I create some point here also. Now right click to exit this tool. Now go to modify tab and select all these points. Right click and choose bezier corner and select one point at a time and modify the curve handles. In case you are not able to move these handles in the desired direction, double click on the corner like this. Axis will free and you able to move the tangent in any direction. If you feel this point is extra, you can delete this one. And if you want to add some point here, just right click and choose refine tool and click on the line. Point will be add on the line. Right click to exit the tool and place at the right position. Okay, we complete the curve and these are start or its end point. Click on the vertex. I move a little bit in the right direction. Now go to hierarchy, pivot, affect pivot only, and move this pivot at the end point. So before move this, we use snapping tool to correct the placement of this pivot. Click and hold and choose 2.5D snapping and right click and choose vertex. When you move this pivot, a plus point appear. It means it's snapping. Now off the snapping and exit from the pivot editing mode. Now we apply a modifier on the shape and that modifier convert the shape into a 3D model. So go to modify tab, click on the modifier list and type LE. So modifier name is lathe. Click on this. Switch to perspective viewport and orbit rotation. Okay. And if you want to edit this object, select this line. So expand the subdivisions of this line and click on the vertex. When you click on the vertex, this geometry will go on. To get back the modifier effect, click on the show end result on off button. Now you can modify this outline and check the result interactively on the viewport like this. If you want to increase the smoothness of this model, go to Lathe Modifier, increase the segment around 22. So it's look more smooth. You can increase little bit more around 32. There is some problem in the top point, or we can check the bottom one also. So there is also some overlapping. We can fix this by using front viewport. Select this vertex and move little bit in the right side. So sometimes this model turn into black like this. Click on the lathe modifier and check the flip normal. Okay, and now I fix this problem. So go to front viewport again and move this start vertex little bit right side like this. Okay, so we fix these problems and the creation of this model is complete. In the lathe modifier, there are some parameters. First parameter is degree. By changing this degree, you can open or close this model like this. And the next important option is flip normal. If your object turn into black, click on this checkbox so it will fix that problem. Segment for increasing smoothness. So these are important options in the lathe modifier. In case your object is not creating in the proper way, if it's look like this, you can fix this type problem by expanding lathe modifier axis and move at the current position. Okay, you can fix this problem by changing the axis position. We already fixed the axis position by using pivot tool, so we will not face this type problem. In case you face this problem, you can fix by using stack axis tool. I hope you learned how to create this model. You can also create the other models like this. You can choose this one, or this one. But some pieces has difficult design like this cut or this cut. So we are not able to create that type of cut by using this tool. But we will model in the later classes. Now we will meet in the next class. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.